Hey everybody, Derek here with Minute Maintenance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the sway bar in your first gen Raptor. Might be similar for other F-150s, but this is my 2012 Raptor. This will help you if you need to replace the sway bar, you need to replace the end links, bushing. For me, I'm just taking off and leaving it off. I like the way it rides without it better. Provides a little bit more travel off-road, so that's why I'm going to do it. I'm also going to show you how to do this without taking the wheels off. So you can pull up on some chocks if you're a little bit thicker like me, or jack it up and get it off that way. Let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're up under the front of the truck. If you can see my passenger or my driver's side, you'll see that's all tore apart right now. I'm working on something else, but wanted to do a video on this for you guys. So this is our sway bar. Sway bar bushings right here. Sway bar end link is right there. It's going to be the same on both sides of the truck. So nothing to, I'll just show you on this side, I guess, since that side's already tore apart. First thing we're going to do is take these two nuts off. And they're a 15 millimeter. Like always, I like to make sure both of them break loose before I take them all the way off. And if you have power tools, don't be scared to use them. Like I've said before, I just like doing these videos where hand tools, is that's what most people have. They're going to do something simple like this on their truck. Okay, so after you get your nuts off, you can tell my sway bar is already sagging because I took the other side off. Then you can pull out this little bolt plate. Next thing we're going to do is up under here is the nut going to your sway bar end link. And the nut is an 18 millimeter. I'll use a ratcheting wrench. A regular wrench obviously will work as well. And then I'm going to put a 1/4 inch socket with an 8 millimeter or 1/4 inch ratchet with an 8 millimeter socket on it on the end. And I can show you this when I get it out. Go ahead and get that loosened. Since I've already undone everything on the other side, the sway bar's free. So this is the top of your sway bar link. I can kind of show you what I was doing with the wrench and the ratchet. If you look on the end of my link, it's actually got a hex head on it. So put my wrench on there, and then my socket over top. And that allows you to hold on to the sway bar link and remove the nut. So I'm not going to take that off all the way, but that's what I was doing on the bottom. And that's how I would take that off. Obviously, if you're just replacing the sway bar end links, you could leave your sway bar in. Just take off the top one, take off the bottom one, replace your links. So there you go, guys. That's how to replace your sway bar and end links and bushings and whole thing. Easy job. When you install it, obviously it's just the reverse, but put your sway bar end links, get the nuts just started on both sides before you tighten everything down. The way the sway bar works is it's actually taking pressure from one side as you turn and applying it to keep your wheels planted as you go around corners. So there's going to be some tension on that. So if you just put one of your end links on and you tighten that nut down all the way before you go do the other one, you might have to jack your tire up or your wheel up in order to get that sway bar end link up through the sway bar. So just keep that in mind as you're doing it. Wow, I am filthy. So any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Give us a like, a follow, share with your friends. Have a blessed day, guys.